So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. Here I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can buy books in Webtoon. So guys, if you want to buy books related with your favorite Webtoon comic, then this video is for you. So let's get right into the video. So guys, you just need to be in this website right here. This is the main official Webtoon's website, and once you're there, all you need to do is look over at this top bar and you can find the option that says Webtoon Shop with the green font. Just go ahead and tap there, and once you're here, again in the top bar you can see many options like new and trending, search by series, apparel, accessories, books, heroes and villains, and gift card. So the thing we need is right here, books. So if there's a specific type of book that you want, then you can also choose that, like activity books or series books. I'm just going to choose books overall, and now you can find these options. So guys, just go ahead and search for the book that you want, and once you found it, all you need to do is just go ahead and tap on this quick add option, and once you do that, it will show you that it has been successfully added to your cart. You can also view your cart, or you could just check out and pay right here. So guys, that's how you buy books in Webtoon. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.